When Kent Demolition approached us for the largest shear possible on a 2-ton excavator and told us about the environment it would be working in, we knew we would have to adapt the arm and hydraulic system on the excavator. We settled on boom mounting the 380 kg MBI SH25 Shear, which is usually used on 5 to 7 ton machines. Kent Demolition had purchased a new Takeuchi TB23R and it provided an ideal platform. We removed the dipper arm and engineered our own mounting bracket to mount the SH25 Shear directly to the boom of the machine. We installed an auxiliary hydraulic circuit on the Takeuchi to give it 360-degree rotation and full operation of the shear through the joystick or foot pedals. Life is full of challenges. At Inmalo we rise to these, and the engineering team will always find a solution to bring together the right tool and machine to complete your project.